What if I told you you could actually start your own country? No, really. Not a joke, not some wild science fiction plot. An actual nation, with land, citizens, a flag, the whole kit and caboodle. Here's the catch, there's no official instruction manual, but there are 4 steps you absolutely have to tick off. And trust me, the last one, that's where almost everyone fails. Step 1. You need land. And I'm not talking about a tropical dream island from a movie. It has to be real territory that no other country already controls. Sounds like a lost cause, right? But believe it or not, there are still a few ownerless spots left on Earth. They're called terra nullius. That's Latin for nobody's land. The most famous example? Bir Tawil. It's this triangle of desert sand stuck between Egypt and Sudan. 2 old overlapping borderlines. Neither country wants it, so Bir Tawil just sits there, unclaimed. Loads of people have tried to plant flags, shoot documentaries, even declare themselves king or queen, but none of those nations ever became real. What about somewhere bigger? Try Marie Byrd Land in Antarctica. It's the largest unclaimed territory on the planet. But, and this is a big but, the Antarctic Treaty says, no new countries, no military, just science. So, your snow-covered empire, not happening there. Maybe you want something more European. There's a tiny patch between Croatia and Serbia that no one officially owns. In 2015, a guy actually declared it Liberland, a libertarian micronation. Thousands applied online for citizenship, but the Croatian police, they block anyone from settling there. So, land without recognition, it stays imaginary. Some folks get creative and skip land completely. Old military platforms in the ocean, like Sealand, have been claimed as countries. They make flags, stamps, even sell titles of nobility, but in the eyes of the law, still not a real country. Step 2. People. You don't need millions, look at the Vatican, fewer than 1,000 residents. What matters is a small, loyal crew who are permanent citizens. Step 3. Rules. You need a constitution. Doesn't have to be a 100-page legal headache. Just a simple document explaining how your new nation works. Step 4. Identity. Get yourself a flag, a passport, even a national anthem. These aren't just symbols. They're what get people invested in your idea. But here's the part nobody likes to talk about, the final boss: recognition. Your country isn't real until the rest of the world agrees it's real. To join the United Nations, you need all 5 of the big players, US, UK, France, Russia, and China, to say yes. And considering they can't even agree on lunch some days, your new country's chances aren't great. That's why places like Taiwan, Kosovo, and Palestine are still fighting for full recognition today. So yes, you can design your own country, land, citizens, rules, identity. But recognition, that's the real boss battle. If you want to take this idea further, I can even make you a custom map of your imaginary country. Just check the link below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for another adventure.